Welcome back. It's Dr. Jen Berboni, better known as DocJenFit. And if you feel like your posture has kind of been off, I'm going to show you two of my favorite chest exercises. I know what you're thinking, but my chest is already so tight. However, these exercises, when done and executed properly, like I'm going to show you, can actually help to improve your posture. Now, you could do these exercises a few different ways. I'm going to do it on the flat bench. If you want to do it a little bit more elevated or switch it up sometimes, that's totally fine. If you're at home, you could do it on the floor or an elevated bench, like a dining bench. If you have that available, always helps. All right. Now the first one is a chest press. So you want to kind of go as heavy as you can with your chest press with your dumbbells. However, we're really going to work on the eccentric lowering. So this means as I'm coming down toward the floor here. Now, first of all, as I set up, you want your shoulder blades kind of flat onto the bench. This is going to create a little bit of a natural arch within my back. That does not mean my core is loose. I can still exhale, press up into the weights and contract my core, pressing my feet down into the floor, squeezing my glutes. So my entire trunk is still stabilized, even if I have a tiny bit of an arch here. Now I'm already pressing my palms and my hands into the weight. This is going to make my serratus anterior around my shoulder blades work harder. Now I'm going to come down really slow. So I'm going to come down at about an angle. So I'm coming out toward the side, elbows at about 90 degrees and coming all the way down, slow, about 5 seconds, and then press it back up. So I went really slow just to show you. But this stretch, and this is why it's best done on a bench, because I can get my elbows lower and my chest open and then pressing up. And if you want at the bottom, you can even give it just a little bit of a hold. Really stretching those pecs under load is really going to help to improve the mobility of your chest as you're loading and doing the exercise. So it's actually going to help to open up your chest as you're taking it into a full range and doing chest exercises. So it's pretty cool. My other favorite one that I highly recommend adding in is just a fly. So again, I'm coming back. I'm going to set my shoulder blades, press into the ground, contract into my core, and I want a slight bend of my elbows. So my elbows are going to come out toward the side. Now again, here, I'm going to focus on at least 5 seconds coming down, opening that chest, going as low as I can, and then coming right back up. Opening nice and slow. This is what's going to get that chest to stretch, lengthen, and mobilize as I'm working on strengthening. Because it's not just that we want to stretch our pecs and have them super loose, but we need them strong. And we want those muscles to be able to engage under load in their full range of motion. Okay. So that eccentric control as you lower down and lengthen those muscles under load is what helps to improve that mobility of the chest. And eventually you're going to help to open up that chest even when you're doing chest exercises. Now, my one last bonus tip for you is that you can always mix chest exercises with back exercises. You don't just have to do your chest day and then your back day. One of my favorite ways to feel more balanced after a workout is to combine anything like we just did with a row with rotation. Now I'm getting my upper back moving as I'm working my back. So this little bonus is going to help you to feel a lot more balanced after your workout, combining the two together. Any more questions? Drop them below. Let me know how you feel when you do them. Don't forget, if you love what you're learning, I have so much more in stock for you. So hit that subscribe button, check out the other videos I've done in the past, and leave any comments of any suggestions that you have for videos in the future. And I can't wait to help you feel incredible and amazing within your body.